Hello everyone, this is Robert D'Manco. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Lez Banks training material. This is a new product that's just about to be launched tomorrow, I think the 1st of December, so actually today in Australia. I've been given this review a few days ago and I went through all the training program. Before I go and look, I'm going to be showing you the product in a few moments, but there are on this particular product, it's only $13, guys, $13, that you have a suite of amazing training program. Mr. B, as known in affiliate marketing world, he's made a great living from affiliate marketing. He's from Malaysia and his English is second language, so he's been able to do affiliate marketing in the English-speaking world really successfully. He's teamed up with a guy called John Armstrong, one of the best market leaders in affiliate marketing, who makes a lot of money from affiliate marketing. They do it quite differently. Lez is more of a certificate person who creates programs and generates regular income, and this training program is all about that. Where John Armstrong is all about creating new campaigns. It's quite a different approach. Both are very successful. So Lez has been put together a training program that's really good. But before we go on, I'm going to show you some of the bonuses. But before I go that, make sure you watch to the end of the video, in the review, and I'm going to be giving you some additional bonuses that you're going to really appreciate of. And all you do is you have to click on the link, or you have to do, type in the link, and you will get these additional bonuses without question, guys. So watch out. You're going to love this. The bonuses. Also, you're going to be look at the bonuses that Lez Banks and John have provided for you when you purchase this training program. $13, guys. Hardly well watching the rest of the video. Just go straight to the link down below, click on it, get the training, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can't go wrong, guys. You absolutely can't go wrong. Now, guys, I'm going to show you the bonus quickly. It's a long sales thing. It talks about all sorts of things, trying to convince you to purchase it. It's great. It's a training program, guys. You just can't go wrong. It shows exactly what to do, give you so much information. It's I don't know how, it's almost insane to give it prices so low. They've got plenty of people who've tried it and it's worked for them. So now if we go right down to the bottom, they're actually going to give you some additional training. And first of all, Jono's going to give you some bonuses on YouTube secrets. I'm actually a student of Jono's, and I follow his way he's doing things, and it's made me have a good living for myself. So I can't thank John Armstrong enough. Even though he's probably 20 years my junior, I'm learning a lot of stuff from him. So you can't go wrong, guys. There's also some other ways he's provided other products for Vanquish. Is to earn automatic commissions. Great product. There's plenty of. You can spend days just going through and preparing for that. Also, there's other ways he's created other training program. How he makes training really quickly, how he went broke quickly, and how to make additional income. And this one is one of the game breakers. What I thought I used when I first started out, and Jono gave me a lead to this and showed me how to do this. It is a great bonus. It takes a fair while to go through it all, but I'm sure you're going to love doing that. It's going to be selling for $13. So look at this, $13. But it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Look just below here, 30 days. No questions asked. So I'm sure you're going to be loving this particular product. Now, let's look at the product itself. It's a web-based product. Jono and Branson have combined together to develop this training program. Jono is really good, quite good at the videos, and he's certainly helped putting all this training material together, and working together and putting this great product. There are lots and lots of things in here. There's a lot of training programs talking about what's affiliate marketing, talking about all types of different affiliate products you purchase, the recurring commissions, and that's what's gold, guys, really gold. You'll in here, you'll learn about how to keep income coming from sales, and don't we love that? The monthly income without doing the extra work. So that's fantastic. I'd love doing that. You need to, in this particular training, about find what's the recurring payments. Great education how to find it. There's additional bonuses they provide. Everything will be shown in here. So what's Jono done as well to encourage everyone to purchase, he's going to give some free training. So make sure you click on this link and join the call, because you're going to pick up a lot of stuff in here. And then here's the blueprint. Choose a product, teaches you how to do it, outline product. Guys, this is just sensational. And add a bonus, you can click on here. It's really easy to use. Access to special bonuses, just click on the link, goes to the page. And this is all for 13 bucks, guys. Whoa. I don't know, he must be getting into the Christmas spirit, guys. So remember, you can get this product if you click on the link down below, guys. Click on the link down below. But now, this is what's really enjoy. Look at your screen right now. Get a pen and paper. Write this URL on. You got that, guys? I'll give you a few more seconds. Or you can even pause and write this down. Well, guys, okay, now, I'm assuming if you got this link, now I'm going to give you 3 additional bonuses. Yes, 3. You're just going to love these things. In any affiliate marketing, you always got to keep your customers happy and give them added value, making sure they're treated like people, not just like someone who's just going to buy things. Keep adding, giving me additional information, and I particularly do it on Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest, and I give them motivational little memes, tips, a whole bunch of stuff. And here I've got 2 different things. I've got 3,500 motivational ones that you can just put on your Facebook day in, day out, maybe 3 to 4 times a day, just to keep the conversation going. You can put a little statement above the Facebook. But people love pictures, and it gets a lot of people just like them. And from my experience, it helps build a relationship with your customers. Similarly, I've got 4,500 that's range from a whole different topics, that depending on the market range you want to do. There's for marriage, you can. There's motivational ones. There's for dogs. There's diets. There's lots and lots of stuff that you can actually use. So you're going to be getting this as well just by typing that URL and getting access to it. And finally, I'm going to show you how I make money from ClickBank. Yes, ClickBank is quite often not as popular as many others, but there is thousands of things that your customers would love to know about. And I've given a step-by-step instruction that you can access this product and how to work on ClickBank and getting income. You may even want to use it it's great value. So they're the 3 products you're going to get. On top of, if you click on the link down below, for $13, you get the Lez Banks training. $13, guys. It's a hamburger and chips and a Coke. So it's worth, and then there's days and days of training in that material. So you can't go wrong. Click on the link down below, and you get not only his bonuses, but the 5 bonuses I mentioned earlier, and you can get these 3 bonuses irrespective if you purchase a product or not. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my station and like it, and see you next time, guys. Bye.